Hello guys, good morning. Yan, okay. It's 5:48 a.m. here. And we are here now at Ashley National Forest. Little Hole, right?
Yeah.
Little Hole. Where we can fish. Where we can go fishing. So last night we just slept on at the back of this car, at the back of the Range Rover. And now, as you can see, I already fold our sleeping bag and pillow. Yeah, David is there fixing the, what you call it, honey? Fishing pole?
Huh? Yeah, we're setting up the 3 fishing poles. We have two bait casters. We're not fishing with bait, but you know, that's spinner bait. And then we have one fly fishing rod. We're gonna go for the cicada out of the gate. We'll see how we can do the cicada. They're supposed to be popular in the summertime. So this is a year-round fishery. This is a blue ribbon fishery that actually this is world-renowned place. It's not just very beautiful, but it's got something like 10 to 15,000 trout per mile. So predominantly rainbows and browns, but then you'll find your occasional cutthroat. This particular area is not a cutthroat area, but they get some that come over. Anyways,
right.
That's about it. Wish us luck. Here's Rube. I got some coffee for Rube. I just made her. Boom.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on this sweater here and get my waders on.
Let's have coffee, guys. So let's see if we can catch fish and what kind of fish we can catch. Oh no, I can get it there later. David's fishing now. This is our first time using that flying. There are some fish jumping over there. Over there in the middle. Let's see if David can catch fish. Wow, you see that? First fish. Finally.
I need help.
Look at that. Yeah.
It looks like, I can't tell, but it's a good one. Oh. All right.
What kind of fish that?
This is a brown.
Nice.
All right, I just need help here to take this lure off this thing.
All right. While I was walking, I saw a big, scared me. I saw a big deer. She scared me. So they did caught one. It's supposed to be two, but the other one escaped.
That's brown trout.
It's a brown trout?
Yeah. There's a lot of.
I've never caught one.
It's got some spots on it. They have, these are unique.
Yeah, that's the ones I was catching.
Yeah.
I hooked 13 of them
Yeah.
and was only able to get 2 in the net.
Oh, right. Well, we had one that was like probably that big, probably 22, but I had him on the, I was putting him on the stringer, and when I went around to grab the point, he went.
Okay guys, so we're now back in the car. So David only caught 2 fish. And the other one escaped, right? Is it correct?
Yeah, I was trying to put him on the stringer, and right as I got the thing through out of his mouth, and I went to grab it, and he took off, and he was really fast and strong fish. So the largest one escaped, unfortunately, but it's okay. We kept one, and now we're headed to the Uinta Mountains, to Twin Lakes, which is the Alpine Lake up here. And so we got about another hour and 50 minutes.
Yeah, we will look for more river or lakes.
Yeah, we'll do some nighttime fishing, some dusk fishing, and then we'll stay, and then in the morning. So this is a moderately fished lake. It has a native reproducing population of cutthroat, and that's what we're targeting. And it also has brook trout, which is pretty exciting. So there could be some lunkers in there.